Hey guys, it's Mateo today, and I just got back from the world's largest car wash. They just received the world's Guinness World Record for the longest car wash. I don't know how long it is, I can't remember, but we went to it. It was so fun. So I'm just making this cute little intro for you guys so you guys could see what I'm talking about. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me start it. Bye. In the world's largest car wash! Woohoo! So excited. So if you guys are just tuning in, I'm in the world's largest car wash. Hey Callie! Oh my god, this is so scary. So I don't know if you guys can hear me because I'm talking a little loud, but I'm gonna post this like on my YouTube video. Oh my god, look! It's like rainbow! Hey boo! It's a free car wash at Buc-ee's until 8. How have you been, boo? But yeah, who's all watching? Let's see who's all stalking me. World's largest car wash. Thank you. This is so cool. I'm so excited. So this is me. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Oh, my skin looks good. Look at me. I'm happy. But I've been wanting to do this like a video, so I'm just gonna like live it and then post a YouTube video about it. But yeah, so let me turn you guys back around. Look, oh my god. So I think there's about 20 blowers, if I believe. Hey girl, hey cousin. Oh my god, what is this? That's so cool. Now look at all those blowers. I don't know if you could see them, but look at all of them. There's 1, 2, 3, so 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15 blowers. In the world's largest car wash, cuz. Oh, my car's so clean. Oh, that's so scary. It's like cleaning your tires, like right there. There. I don't know if you can see it. So that is the world's largest car wash. I hope you guys like this little video. I'm gonna probably upload this when I get home. But I hope everyone has a lovely day, and you know the drill. Always turn that front upside down smile, guys. Love ya. Bye.